Welcome. So today I'll do unboxing along with a quick look test of the Layer MagFit Pro. So this is a 2-in-1 MagSafe charger for, well, technically Apple products, but obviously it will work with other devices as well. It's just a Qi charger. So yeah, your, what are they called? AirPods? Yeah, AirPods along with your iPhone or any other phone in general. So I just get in there. We do have seal to cut through. There we go. So right here we have a Type-C to Type-C cable. It looks like it's actually a decent length of it as well. Then we get an instruction, so I'm gonna eat those both to the side. There we go, get that out, and then this. Okay. Now the MagSafe pad right here looks like it has a very limited amount of adjustability, as you can see. So this is kind of staying. So this is the max it can go flat, and this is the max it can go to kind of like a fixed position, so it's standing straight. Now when it's placed, it's almost fully straight. You can kind of see that. So for desk accessory, if you're gonna place your phone like this, we need to have it further out to actually be able to use or see the device comfortably like this. So I'd probably be twisting it to the maximum position of like how it can go as far as it can lean back, which again is not much of an adjustable position, as you can twist it around. Now, one thing to add here, this is a fabric material right here with almost no rubber, and for a case like this, it makes it a little bit easier to twist it around if that is something that you wanted to do. Maybe you want to use your phone in a landscape mode, which is completely fine. You are free to do so. Now the reason I'm pointing this out is because, for instance, this one, which is almost identical for from Ugreen, has way more adjustability. As you can see, you can basically lay the phone flat, and in addition, for the charging of your AirPods, it has a specific cutout that the AirPods would just drop into. So I wanted to point that out. And also when you plop your phone on here, it holds it and makes it a little bit harder to twist it around, which also would mean that it might be a bit better in terms of holding a position. Now, not to say that this one will switch. As you can see, you can be pressing on it and it's not like it's gonna shift easily. So don't worry about that. What you probably should worry about though is the plastic design. It feels a bit flimsy. So for some reason, like you can, just me pulling this down, you can see it literally bend right here. And I'm not putting much of a pressure on here. So you can see it kind of just bend. I don't think it's going to easily break, but it does make me a little bit concerned. Now, that being said, the plug for the charging port is on the side, and it does have more weight to it. A bit more also vibration to it. So there's like some loose components, or looser than I would probably like. As for instance, this one has nothing that is vibrating. So there we go. Now, objectively speaking, in terms of the design aesthetics, I kind of like the mesh finish of it. It makes it look a bit more premium. But in terms of quality, I feel like it's leaving a little bit to be desired, especially when I compare it to almost the exact same kind of charger like this one from Ugreen. So this one feels much more robust, even though it just has a tiny little metal spoke right here that is holding it up. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.